Hello friends, this is video 08 for public administration paper 2 of civil services, and in this video we will discuss what are the differences between Kautilya's Arthashastra and Max Weber, who has given bureaucratic model. So what are the basic differences as well as similarities between their political thought as well as administrative thought. So according to Kautilya, these are the differences. So first difference is that during Kautilya's time, the main authority of the ruler was traditional authority. That is, he derived because people respected his authority, hereditary authority, and they believed in it. So that is traditional authority. And but Weber believes in legal rational authority. That is authority that is derived from law, rule of law, laws and regulations, and people obey you because they have belief in those laws. So this is the major difference. Then Kautilya did not try to make any theory, but Weber tried to make theory about ideal bureaucratic model. Then third difference is that Kautilya describes empirical reality, means practical reality, and normative. Normative means what should be the ideal norms, and prescriptive treatment means what should be the prescription for any particular problem. But Weber has given this ideal type construct, means that this based on his own imagination of improving given set of attributes. So he has given a particular set of attributes which are essential in order to have an ideal type of bureaucracy, and he is telling that with training and with proper recruitment we can improve those attributes. So this is theory building. Then fourth difference is that during Kautilya's Arthashastra, the main thing is control structure. They wanted to control the society. They will punish the people who do bad, and there are rules and regulations which are to be followed. But in Weber's bureaucracy, the authority is legal rational, as well as the main control thing is inherent, that is your internal control. You means outside control is there, but the main control is moral control, that is self or internal. Okay, then similarities. There are a lot of similarities between these two. First is that both keen on efficiency and rationality. They wanted to improve the state administration. Second is that proper recruitment, hierarchy, selection by merit, promotion by seniority cum merit, compensation, training and discipline. These things are similar in both Weber's model as well as Kautilya's. I have already told you how the recruitment was done, and the school appointing authority was king during Kautilya, and hierarchy already told you, and then promotion by seniority as well as merit, selection by merit. What are the qualities of the people who wanted to be selected? What types of people should not be selected? What are the different tests? These you should know. Then third is clean administration. That is they wanted corruption free administration, and also control and high level of strictness, because if hierarchy will be there, then there will be control and strictness. So the lessons of good governance have been learned from Arthashastras, Kautilya's Arthashastra, and everything done by today's welfare state was already present in that particular time. Just that the control structure are different. It was a despotism, it was paternalistic monarchy, but right now we have a democracy in which the same things are happening in the form of welfare state, but welfare state is already present during Kautilya's time. So that's all. This particular topic is complete. We have done the three things which were required, that is local governance. This is the topic, Kautilya Arthashastra, and it's revenue administration, district administration and local self-government. These four topics about Kautilya's Arthashastra have been completed with this video, and I will come with Mughal administration video in the next video. So stay tuned and thank you.